In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a background in Photoshop in just a few clicks. First, drop your image into Photoshop. The easiest way to remove the background of your image is by clicking on the Remove Background option on the little bar below your picture. If this taskbar doesn't appear for you, click on Window and then enable the contextual taskbar. If you don't see this option, it's probably because you're using an old version of Photoshop. The second easiest way to remove the background is by using the Magnetic Lasso Tool. You can do that by selecting the Magnetic Lasso Tool from the Tools bar on the left side of Photoshop. Just right-click on the Lasso tool and select the Magnetic Lasso tool. Then, just select the object or person you want to separate from the background. After selecting the object, double-click on your mouse to apply, and if you inadvertently mess up some areas, you can easily fix it by holding down the Alt key on your keyboard to remove areas, and holding Shift to add areas. Once you've made sure the object is perfectly selected with the Magnetic Lasso tool, you can now remove any areas that are still considered part of the background by holding down Alt on your keyboard, then selecting the areas you want to remove. After completing all the steps I mentioned, right-click on the object and click on Select Inverse. Then, make sure you unlock your picture by clicking on the lock icon next to it in the Layers section. After that, select the Eraser tool from the toolbar on the left and click on the Delete button on your keyboard. Now, the background of your image should be removed. Next, select the Rectangular Marquee tool or the Magnetic Lasso tool, then right-click on the object and click on Deselect. The last step is obviously exporting the image. To export, just click on File, then Export, and then Export As. Make sure the format is set to PNG and enable the checkmark next to the transparency option, then go ahead and click on Export. If this helped, subscribe, drop a like, and check out my other Photoshop tips. Bye.